So for those investors who have high risk tolerance and medyo aggressive ang approach mo as an investor, and you have a spare or extra money that you want to work for you, then let me introduce to you Forex trading. So right now yan, we're trading. So if you want a very high yielding income, then I want you to explore and experience kung paano ba mag-trade ng Forex. Eh, ma'am lady, paano yun? Busy ako. I cannot watch the market. Di ba kailangan medyo lagi ka nakatingin sa market dyan? Then I have good news for you kasi hindi mo naman kailangan gawin na titigan yung market. Hindi mo rin kailangan na sobrang aralin yung candlesticks, yung mga strategies, mag-fundamental, mag-technical. Kasi I'm gonna be teaching you how to copy trade. Copy trading is like, you're just copying. Like, nangungopya ka lang. Eh, syempre sa school, sino ba mga kokopyahan natin? Syempre yung mga matatalino. Dito naman sa Forex, syempre yung kokopyahin natin yung may track record na. Yung mga tipong nagsunog talaga ng kilay para aralin yung market. Yung makikita talaga natin na profitable. So, sila yung mga kokopyahan natin. Ako, ang role ko dito is I will just educate you. Paano mo gawin yun? Paano mo sisimulan? Paano ka magiging profitable? And of course, paano mo i-manage yung risk? Through diversification. Eh, ma'am lady, magkano ba yung starting yan? For testing waters, you can start at 100 USD. Kasi meron ka ng mga pwedeng kopyahin for as low as 50 USD. But of course, I don't suggest na mag-stay ka lang sa 100 USD. Siyempre sa investment, mas maliit ang iyong kapital, mas maliit din ang iyong kikitain. So if you want to maximize your profit, I highly suggest na at least 300 USD to 600 USD. Kumbaga yung 100 USD pang testing waters mo lang talaga. As in, matry mo lang. So while copy trading, eventually kapag nagkaroon ka ng oras, then let's make time to understand naman the manual trading, let's understand the market, kasi iba pa rin pag may alam ka. Iba pa rin pag marunong ka talaga at naiintindihan mo talaga. So if you want to know more about Forex trading, join our Telegram group. Ayan, ito. Or I'll put in the comment section yung link wherein saan kayo pwede mag-join ng aming group. You can also DM me on my IG para ma-message mo ako personally and maturuan kita kung paano ka makakapagsimula sa Forex trading. Dahil honestly, sa panahon ngayon, hindi na enough ang single source of income. So let's go, sabay-sabay tayo matuto ng Forex trading para finally ma-meet na natin ang ating inaasam na financial freedom.